What's up? It's the Prelude Dude. Today, I'm going to be using Sea Foam Spray to clean out the intake and the exhaust. We're going to see what it's like. I'm going to show you how I do it. I've used it before. I'm eager to see if it has any effect on this vehicle. For all I know, I could have the cleanest intake and the exhaust valves in the world. But I doubt it. I guess one of the first things we need to do is pop this hood. So, look, it's open now. Crazy. Alright, so most of you are probably wondering, how do I use this? Well, SeaFoam was kind enough to put a little diagram on it. Look at that. You see, they got throttle shaft, throttle plate, and they show the little tube they got. So, I didn't see anything in the instructions about letting the car warm up, but something tells me it's a good idea to let it warm up a little bit first. So, we're going to do that. I'm going to go ahead and start it. Ooh, belt squeal. I'll fix that soon, I swear. Alright, so reading through the instructions, it does say to use the entire contents of the bottle. So, this may take a while. I'll probably speed it up a bit. But it says hold it about 500 to 1,000 RPMs over the stock idle. So, now that the vehicle's warmed up, I'm going to start it back up, we'll stick this tube in it, and we'll get going on it. Alright, so for a more dramatic effect, I took the whole inlet tube off. Alright, so we got it buttoned back up. It's cooling down now. It says to let it sit for like 5-15 minutes. So I'm letting that happen. Still nice and warm. Woo. Anyways, then it's the road test time. Time to go drive aggressive. Alright, so I drove around a little bit. Throttle response feels a little bit better. Let's try to sneak in a burnout. Set it up. Solid black line. Only one though, because it's an open diff. This definitely feels better though.